Good day everyone. Learn how to fix mouse not working on Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Even if you're using a USB or a wireless, it will work on both. Alright. Please ensure you watch the whole tutorial and follow all these easy steps. Alright. So since our mouse is not working, you can use the touchpad if you're using laptop, and if you don't have a laptop, if touchpad is not working, then we will be using the keyboard only. Now press the Windows key and R key together, R as in Romeo, and you will find the run window like this. And here we need to type devmgmt.msc like this, and you need to press enter. The moment you do that, you will get a screen of device manager, and here we can use the tab key to go to the file section and everything, and you can use the alt key to come here. So I just have used the tab key to go to the computer, and now you can see I can go to any options whatever I want to. So I'll be right here. You can see I'll just go to mice and other pointing devices. I'll hit enter, and it says mice and other pointing device, not a problem. Once you select your mice and other pointing devices, use the tab key, see what happens. And what you can do is you can use the right arrow key to expand. So I have selected the mice and other pointing devices, and then I see the HID compliant mouse. So I'll go to here and I'll hit enter, and in this manner I can see general driver and everything. I'll use the tab key to go to the driver. Once I'll go to general, then I'll use my right arrow key to go to the driver, and then I'll use the tab key again to go to the driver details, and then I'll use the down arrow key, or you can use the tab to update driver, and I'll hit enter, and I'll click on the best driver is already installed. If you get this message, you can press Alt space C to cancel it. Alt space C to close this. And here what you can do is you can use the tab key and click on disable device, and use the tab key to do yes, and then again we will hit enter to enable device. So in this manner we have successfully enabled the device. And do the same thing for the second HID compliant. If you do not see your mouse here, mice and other pointing devices, you can go to human interface devices right here just above the IDE. You can see that. Alright, so once this is done, you need to restart the computer. And guys, this is a very important tip. If you're using a wireless mouse, please check whether your batteries are good. Just try to change it. And also the USB receiver, try to change it to a different USB port. And guys who are using USB mouse, try to change a different port of your USB mice, and then restart the computer and see if that works for you. Please do let me know in the comment section if you have successfully fixed this mouse issue, and if this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.